We recently talked about the benefits of lentils on the channel. Did you watch it? Did you know there are different types of lentils? Which ones are you familiar with? Lentils should be part of everybody's diet since they are cheap and healthy. Besides being super delicious, they are also rich in minerals, proteins, and fiber. They give an energy boost and are good for the heart too. Let's see the 5 most common types of lentils available. Red lentil. Red lentils have a thin and round shape. The color ranges from golden to orange and red, and the flavor is mild and earthy. Red lentils take 15 to 20 minutes to cook, super quick. This variety doesn't hold its shape after being cooked, working well in purees, soups, and stews. This lentil is used in many Indian dishes, like dal, made with cereals and other vegetables. You can find red lentils at supermarkets or natural health stores. Brown lentil. This is the most common variety of lentils and can be found in any supermarket. It is round, thin, and the color ranges from khaki to brown. Its flavor is slightly earthy and mild. Brown lentils take 30 to 45 minutes to cook and become very soft after being cooked, but still hold their shape. It is versatile and can be used in salads, soups, stews, vegan burgers, or rice. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Black lentil. Black lentils, also called beluga, have small spherical shape and thick skin. Its color goes from black to deep brown. This lentil is cultivated in Canada and called caviar because of its strong earthy flavor and appearance. Its cooking time is 30 to 40 minutes and can hold its shape well after being cooked. Ideal for salads. Green lentil. Green lentil, also called French lentil, has a round, thin shape with thick skin. Its color ranges from dark green to green slate. Like other types, it tastes earthy. It holds shape after being cooked and takes 45 to 50 minutes to cook. Green lentils are perfect as a hot dish or in salads. Yellow lentil. Yellow lentils are similar to the red ones but have a bright, vibrant yellow color. They have a mild nutty flavor and take only 15 minutes to cook. Nice, isn't it? They are used in some Indian dishes like curry. How to cook lentils? Contrary to most dry legumes, lentils don't need to soak before being cooked. I usually let them soak for an hour at most before cooking them. Rinse lentils and sift through for stones before cooking. Put the lentils in a pot with fresh water and bring to a boil, as you do with beans. Close the pot. After boiling, open the lid a little to let the steam out and cook for 15 to 50 minutes, depending on the variety chosen. If you want to learn more about the benefits of brown lentils, the most common type, watch the suggested video. Now, we want to know, how many of these lentil varieties did you know? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.